welcome to my channel. This is Kalyani. Today our topic is parts of speech. Now let's see here parts of speech. Do you know parts of speech? Yes. Okay. A name parts of speech is a name given to a word based on its job. Sentences. That is called parts of speech. Now a name given to a word based on job sentences. That is called parts of speech. Now parts of speech is many types. Like there are many types. First one, types of parts of speech. First one, noun, pronoun, adjective, word, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Okay. Now let's see here. First one, noun. What is this noun? A noun is the name of a noun is the name of persons, things and places. Now let's see here first one, persons. Examples of nouns. Persons, a name of persons. A name of persons, for example, Rama, Sita, Raghu, Rani, Lata, Geeta, etc. Okay, these are names, persons' names. Now, things, name of things. Name of things. What is this things? Duster, marker, markers, computer, TV, doll, blackboard and whiteboard. Blackboard, etc. Bench, table. Okay, these are all things. Now, places. A name of places. Name of places. What is this? Karimnagar, Vimlavada, Karimnagar, Vimlavada, Jagityal, Srisila, etc. These are names of places. Now, noun is a name of the persons, things and places. These are examples of nouns. Okay. Afterwards, pronouns. Pronoun means, what is this pronoun? A pronoun is pronoun is the instead of nouns. Examples of pronouns. I, you, she, it, he, they, etc. These are all pronouns. Examples of pronouns. For example, Sita is absent. Example, Sita is absent. Sita is absent because she is ill. Okay. Now let's see here. Sita. Sita is here noun. Absent is word. She is pronoun. Okay. Sita is noun. She is pronoun. Okay. These are example of pronouns. Okay. Now, afterwards, noun is completed, pronouns is completed. Afterwards, adjective. Now let's see here adjectives. Third one, adjective. What is this adjective? It gives information. It gives information about noun. It gives information about noun. That is called adjective. Okay. For examples of adjective. Sita is a good girl. Okay. Now Ramu is a tall boy. Geeta is a short girl. Okay. Here, see, Sita, Ramu, Geeta. These are nouns. Okay. Now here, good, tall, short. These are adjectives. Okay. Adjective. This one adjective. These sentences. Sita, Ramu, Geeta are nouns. These sentences. Now, good, tall, short. These are adjectives. See here, this sentence see. Sita is a good girl. Sita, good girl. Noun, adjective. Ramu is a tall boy. Tall. Ramu is boy. One son. Okay. Ramu is tall boy. Geeta. Geeta is girl. Okay. Geeta is one of the noun. She is girl. Geeta is short. Okay. Geeta is short. This is the adjective. Geeta is noun. Okay. Now let's see here. Noun is completed. Pronoun is completed. Adjective completed. Now let's see here. Verb. Fourth one. Verb. Verb. It shows actions. It shows action or state. Action or state. State. State is nothing but situations. Situation. Action means work. Okay. Action is work. State means nothing but situations. For examples, see here examples. I am going to market. They are sleeping their beds. Okay, these are two examples of verbs. Here see, I is the noun. Okay, here going is the main verb. Work is going. This is the verb. Okay, where market, it is the object. Next here, they is the noun. Okay, sleeping, they are sleeping their beds. Sleeping is the verb. Okay, they. This sentence is I am going to market. Here I is the verb. I is the noun. Going is the verb. Here they is the noun. Sleeping is the main verb. Here work is, action is, now this is the where is sleeping, beds. Okay, their beds. This is the verb. Okay, verb always showing actions and states. Their situations. State means nothing but situations. Action means nothing but work. Okay, this is the verb. Afterwards, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb is completed. Now let's see here adverb. Okay, Adverb. Fifth one. Adverb. Adverb is nothing but information about noun and pronoun. Information about noun or pronouns. Okay. Adverb is nothing but information, pronouns and noun. Okay. For examples, see here example. Rose is red. He walks very slowly. For example, Rose is red. Okay. Next, he walks. He walks slowly. He walks slowly. Balu is a talent boy or intelligent or very good boy. Balu is a good boy. Okay. Here, very good boy. These three sentences, let's find adverb. Okay. Now here, rose. Rose is the one of the flower. Which color having here? Red color. Okay. This is the red. Red is the adverb. To information about rose. That means rose is here noun. This is the rose is here noun. Red is adverb. Okay. Now let's see here. He. He is the pronoun. He is pronoun. Walks very slowly. It is the adverb. Okay. He is the one of the pronoun. Tells slowly. He walks slowly. Adverb. Okay. Slowly is the one of the adverb. Balu is noun. Very good boy. Very good is the adverb. Okay. This is the adverb. Adverb means information about the noun or pronoun. Okay. Information about the noun or pronoun. Now let's see here. Adverb is completed. Now let's see here preposition. 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 Preposition means it connects noun to other. Okay. Place, time, position. That is tell to preposition. Place, time, position. Okay. For example, these are relationship between place, time and position. This is the noun or pronouns. Noun or pronouns relationship between place and time and situations. For example here, I will see it. I will see it. I will see at school It is the one of the example. Here I is the noun. Okay. See is the verb and it is the place. That means preposition. Okay. Now on is the time. On is the time. That one also one of the preposition. Okay. It is the preposition means place, time, relationship between nouns, pronouns, place, time and positions. Okay. These are prepositions. For examples, prepositions in, out, under, at and into, this, into, etc. These are all prepositions. Now let's see here. Preposition is completed. Next see here conjunctions. Conjunctions means what is meant by conjunctions? Conjunction is a chain with two sentences. It means chain with two sentences. Okay. For example, here see, I cannot go to school because, example, I cannot go to school because it's raining. It is raining. Okay. Here see, conjunctions. It is the one of the sentences. I cannot go to school. Okay. It is raining. It is also one of the sentences. One of the sentences, it is the second sentences. One sentences and two sentences. Chain with this one, which is okay. This is called conjunctions. Okay. Conjunctions are chain with two sentences. For example, one more example. Raju and Raghu are brothers. Here and is the one of the conjunctions. Okay. And is the one of the conjunctions. Now let's see here examples of conjunctions. And, but, because, etc. These are all conjunctions. Okay. Now let's see here interjections. Last one is the interjections. Okay. Interjections means, what is this interjections? To show some sudden feelings. To show some sudden feelings. For example, wow, what a beautiful flower. Wow, what is a beautiful flower. Okay, here having exclamatory sentence. These are all exclamatory sentences. Interjection means coming with the sudden feelings. Here, wow is the one of the feeling. Okay, beautiful is the one of the adjectives. Okay, it is a flower. Okay, noun. What, why, interjection coming with the what, why, how. Okay, these are all coming interjection sentences. Now let's see here. For example of interjections: joy, joyful, joy, sorrow, wow. Now surprise, fear, brave, These are all exclamatory sentences. Interjections all are sudden feelings. Okay, it is the interjection. Interjection is the sudden feelings. Sudden feelings. It is having exclamatory sentences. How, what, why, he, who. Okay, these are all interjections, sentences, feelings. Okay, these are parts of speech. Parts of speech is completed. Thank you.